Gardeners often focus on what we take from the soil, harvesting carrots, potatoes, beans, but what if we gave back? Instead of just growing food for ourselves, we can grow crops that feed the soil itself. These are called cover crops, or green manures. Their job: protect and enrich the ground. Some cover crops grow incredibly fast, filling empty beds between main plantings and building soil fertility in weeks. Their roots create channels for air and water, improving soil structure. When their job is done, we cut them down and leave them as mulch. No digging required. This mulch shields the soil from sun and rain, feeding worms and microbes as it breaks down. The result: dark, crumbly, living soil. No-dig gardening at its best. By growing cover crops, we harvest sunlight and turn it into food for the soil. This top-down feeding is gentler and more natural than tilling. Digging disrupts soil life, but mulching with green manure works with nature. Over time, your garden becomes more fertile, healthier, and easier to manage. Give back to the soil, and it will reward you with better harvests. That's the real secret to a thriving garden. Not all cover crops are equal. Legumes are the true stars. Legumes like peas and beans have a unique partnership with soil bacteria called rhizobia. These bacteria form nodules on the roots, capturing nitrogen from the air and turning it into plant food. This process, called nitrogen fixation, means legumes feed themselves and the soil. Unlike synthetic fertilizers or manure, legumes create fresh nitrogen right in your garden. As legumes grow, they store nitrogen in their leaves and roots. When you cut them down, that nitrogen is released, boosting the next crop. Leafy vegetables like lettuce and spinach thrive after a legume cover crop. Legumes don't just recycle nutrients, they add new life to tired soil. It's a natural, elegant cycle: plant, grow, cut, and feed the soil. No chemicals, no extra cost, just nature's own fertilizer. With legumes, you're not just growing plants, you're growing better soil. That's the magic of cover cropping. Let's meet 3 powerhouse legumes for summer: cowpeas, sun hemp, and forage beans. Cowpeas, or black-eyed peas, thrive in heat and drought, quickly covering soil and suppressing weeds. They're easy to grow and fix plenty of nitrogen, perfect for beginners. Sun hemp is a rapid grower, reaching over head height in just 60 days. It produces massive biomass, breaks up compacted soil, and smothers weeds. Forage beans like loblab are vigorous, drought-tolerant, and spread fast. All 3 create thick, green mulch and pump nitrogen into the soil. They're not grown for food, but for what they leave behind: richer, more fertile earth. Use them between main crops to keep your soil alive and productive. These legumes turn empty beds into soil-building powerhouses. The result? Healthier soil, fewer weeds, and better harvests. That's the real value of summer cover crops. Using legume cover crops is simple. No special tools or big spaces needed. Start by clearing your bed of old plants or weeds. No digging required. Scatter your chosen seeds, like cowpeas or sun hemp, evenly over the surface. Press them down or lightly rake for good soil contact. Water once to help them sprout, then let nature do the rest. These crops grow fast, quickly transforming your bed into a lush green carpet. Cut them down before they set seed, about 60 days for sun hemp, at flowering for cowpeas. Leave the cut plants on the surface as mulch, don't dig them in. This mulch feeds the soil, blocks weeds, and conserves moisture. The process works in any garden backyard, raised bed, or even containers. No dig, no fuss, just healthier soil with every cycle. Cover cropping is about working with nature, not against it. It's a low-effort, high-reward method for any gardener. With just a few steps, you're building better soil for seasons to come. Simplicity and success go hand in hand. By growing legume cover crops, you're building soil health from the ground up. The mulch you leave feeds earthworms and microbes, releasing nitrogen as it breaks down. Your soil becomes darker, richer, and more alive, perfect for vegetables. The thick mulch conserves water, reduces erosion, and improves drainage. You'll save money on compost and fertilizers. Cover crop seeds cost little, but give a lot. This method makes your garden more self-sufficient and resilient. Legume cover crops boost fertility, suppress weeds, and save water, all naturally. It's a simple, powerful investment in your garden's future. Healthier soil means better harvests, year after year. Give a little to your soil, and it will give back abundantly.